Our Something Blue Soiree combines comfort Southern food with beautiful decor and a few fun surprises. Monogrammed fortune tellers are a great way to get your guests engaged and start conversations. We wanted to get our guests up and moving throughout the party with a cocktail granita station and choose your own macaroon ice cream station. The bridal shower is the perfect opportunity to celebrate the bride with her nearest and dearest friends. The shower should not only reflect the bride's style and personality, but most of all, be fun. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to dream, love, and celebrate life.